Now we are discussing elastic behavior of solid. If we take solid, what is that solid? It is a group of atoms. All these atoms are surrounded by each other. Now if we ask the question, what is making, what force is making, or what force, because of what force all these atoms are residing together? The answer is interatomic forces. The atoms are residing together because of the interatomic forces, and the molecules are residing together because of the intermolecular forces. If we apply the force, that force is making the deformation in the body. In that case, the atoms are moving from their position. So the interatomic distance is changing. When we remove that force, when we remove the external force, now these interatomic forces are making the atoms to regain their original positions. This is how, in reality, in microscopic level, the interatomic forces are acting in order to regain the original position of a spring. This was explained by Robert Hooke, an English physicist. So he took many experiments on the springs. In 1676, he explained his famous Hooke's law. In that he mentioned, when we apply the force on a spring, the length of the spring is changing. So the more force we apply, the length is changing more. He mentioned it is elongating. So the elongation of the string is directly proportional to the force we apply. This is called as Hooke's law. On his name, Robert Hooke, we are calling that law as a Hooke's law.